Now let's see how we can enter the BIOS in Windows 11, especially if you don't know about your PC or your PC versions. So you might not know the short key on how you can enter into your system BIOS exactly. So in that case, what steps you can follow? Let's see. So first of all, in your Windows 11, just go to this start menu right here. Now click on this power button right here, hold the left shift key and then click on restart. Just keep holding the shift key and then restart anyway. And now you can notice that it's showing preparing here. Now from the preparing menu, you can click on this troubleshoot option right here and click on advanced options and then click on UEFI firmware settings, which will ask again to restart and change your UEFI firmware settings. Let's click on restart now. And now you will notice that not only the system will restart, it will show you the short key to enter the BIOS setup. So let's click on that particular short key. In this case, it's F10 and we are in the BIOS menu now. So this is the simple procedure, especially if you don't know what is the short key to enter your BIOS setup. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.